Friends, welcome to Times with Tapchayan. Today's topic is how medical devices are different from drugs. There are not very much number of difference between them. It is very clear that we know about drugs or medicines. When we call drugs are pointed out as illegal, not legal. So there are two different types of drugs. Legal drugs like alcohol, illegal drugs like charas, pethidine and all. But legal drugs and illegal drugs change when we talk about medicines. So actually we have to say how medical devices are different from medicines. Medicines are drugs that are used to, medicines are different from drugs that are used to treat diseases of human beings. We all know about common diseases and common medicines that are used to treat these common diseases. We also know that there are serious diseases like cancer, like heart problems, neurological problems, for which there are no medicines to treat. Only the plan to treat a heart disease is medicines plus devices. Suppose a patient is suffering from a defective heart valve, that patient cannot survive only with medicines. But if that patient can do a valve replacement, he can regain his full strength by replacement of heart valve along with medicines. Yeah, naturally a valve recipient will have to take certain medicines throughout his life. So here we see the difference, medicines and devices. So medicines are chemicals or substance that are used as drugs, and they enter our body, and within the body there is a chemical reaction, and after the chemical reaction there is absorption of the chemical ingredient which is given as a medicine, and this ingredient is absorbed in the intestine, absorbed through the villi into the blood, and through the circulation it reaches the intended place of action to cure the disease. And in the case of a device, this doesn't happen, because suppose take the heart valve. It is made up of metal, then the plastic valve ring and the polyester cloth with which it is sewed onto the heart muscles. These things never react with blood or the tissues. They don't create or become a cause for clot formation or hemolysis of, that is the breaking of red blood cells. So you see the heart valve simply sits there, it functions as the valve. There is no chemical change, there is no absorption, there is no distortion of blood or other body elements. So the major difference between a drug and a device is very clear now. If you have any other doubts, kindly talk to me, write to me or call me, or whatever way you want to, you can take up to clear your doubts. So the medical device, for example, a class 1 medical device is a toothbrush. It need not be certified. It is not going to have a chemical reaction with the body. So there are no medical devices that has got a chemical reaction as a result of using it. Presently, the X-ray machines, scanning machines are also come under the medical device. So in the case of medicine, it gets absorbed, then it is distributed throughout the body, then it is metabolized, that is again broken down chemically, and necessary chemicals are absorbed, and what is the unused, unabsorbed materials are discharged as sweat or urine, or they are excreted. But this never happens in the case of a medical device. You put a stent in the vascular system or urethra, it stays there. It clears the block. It doesn't create a block. That is why it is kept there. Yes, definitely in some patients, sometimes stents are also create problems, because depending upon the total health of the patient, or that particular patient may become allergic to that particular stent material. This stent material have undergone testing, a full testing of biocompatibility testing in vitro, in vivo, in small animals, and a in situ test in larger animals, then again clinical trials, where allergy is also tested using different methods in different animals, in vitro also. So that particular patient may be a rare instance of allergic reaction to that particular material, or it may be due to some other materials or drugs used in that patient. So today I repeat that the medicine gets absorbed in the body. There is a chemical reactions in the medicines, but there is no chemical reactions, and the medical devices sit unchanged in the place where they are implanted or placed. Thank you, Tepsians, for listening to me. Hope we will meet next Friday to talk and discuss on another topic on medical devices. I want to remind you that there is episodes in Malayalam about this topic too. Those who are interested in listening to Malayalam, they can watch that video. Thank you very much.